Good morning, children. In this video, we will continue the chapter Unity in Diversity. In my previous video, I have discussed the term unity and diversity. What do we mean by unity in diversity? In our country, India is a vast country and having different types of culture, mixed culture, people living, having different religions, different food habits, and different languages. They have different dress style. Then also at last we all are united. So today we are going to learn what are the diversities we are having in our country. Rather, all the aspects we are having, we are different from each other, but at last we all are one. We are one nation, one. We are one home. We are having all togetherness, brotherhood in our country. So diversity. What are the diversities we are having? We are having diversity in languages. We are having diversity in food habits. We are diversity in religions. The religious beliefs we are having. Diversity in festivals. The festivals we celebrate throughout our country, they are all different from each other. Every state is having its own specific food habits, its own language, its own main festivals, cultural festivals. The food habits. Suppose we live in West Bengal. Bengalis love sweets and sweet dishes more rather than any other states. Our main staple food is rice, and we love to eat rasagollas than milk products more than any other states. Other states like Punjab, they love to eat sarso ka saag, makki ki roti. Maharashtra, they love to eat pav bhaji. South Indian dishes, they love states, they love to have idli dosa. So these are some of the special dishes every state is having. Next, religions. In our country, we are free. We are free to have any religions. We can believe in any religion. We can adopt any religion. So every religion is having equal status in the eyes of law. In the constitutions, every religion has been given the same importance. Whether you are a Hindu or a Muslim or a Sikh or a Christian, you can believe in any one and you can follow the path of any religion, but you are having the equal status in the eyes of law. No foundation is there. All are same in eyes of law. Whether you are a man or a woman, both are having equal status in front of law. Next, languages. Our country is having 22 main languages. They are recognized by Indian constitutions. Among them, Hindi is our official language. Hindi is written in Devanagari script. English is our associate language. Beside them, Bengali, Assamese, Urdu, Santhali, Dodo, Maithili, there are more languages are there which are recognized by Indian constitutions. So they are approved and they are known as Indian languages. So mainly 22 languages are recognized. Dresses. Every state, every place is having their own dress sense and own dress type. Like saris, Punjabis wear salwar suit. In northeastern states you will see long skirts. In Kashmiri they used to wear firans. So then ghagra choli in Gujarat, you will find they were wearing ghagra choli. Men are wearing kurta pajama and Punjabis are wearing turbans. So there are different types of dress sense in every state. The turbans used by the Punjabis and the Gujaratis are not same. So they are different from each other. But we are having a mixed culture. We Indians, we are having a mixed culture. And there is only the unity lies. Festivals. There are mainly 3 national festivals and there are various types of cultural festivals celebrated throughout our country. Every state is having some specific festivals celebrating in their states, but the whole nation is also celebrating them with them. Like we are having harvest festivals also. Like Punjabis are having Baisakhi, Bihu in Assam, they are having the harvest. Pongal, Onam, these are all harvest festivals related to their states. And the national festivals celebrated throughout the country are Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, Republic Day. Beside this, Ganesh Chaturthi, Durga Puja, Eid, Christmas, they are also being celebrated by the whole nation with pomp and joy. So we can say that yes, indeed, our country is united in one thread and there is unity in diversity. Thank you.